Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to scan links before visiting them. Whether you just show like you receive them via email, via Telegram, via WhatsApp, and you are like, it's not big deal you say, and it is you that you have trust issues with. I will just try a random link with this link called URL scan IO of our tool. I'll just copy paste the link here in the input. I'll just public scan it. It will give a bit. I just received this by Telegram, so I will check it if it is clean, if it is good enough, and I will check together, guys. There you go, guys. The website is like good enough to go. It's from America. There is 15 IPs from 4 countries. Squarespace. And there you go, the last IPs that it is used with. And it's validated, it's good. I hope you like the video. Please like, share and subscribe.